lot of the new, 90% of the new vehicles have multi-layer head gaskets that require a smooth surface. This is the only one in this area that'll give you that. So if a guy has a turbo motor, a new Mustang, Corvette, any of the LS motors, Mitsubishis, Ferrari, they all have multi-layer gaskets. If you don't machine that cylinder head or block surface properly, it's going to give you problems. This will put a perfect surface on it.
We just did our first deck, and with the dye that we put on every floor, we can see all of our low spots, because all we did was just skim the deck of the block. And then now we can finish off.